Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take stunning real estate photos using just your smartphone. Alright, so step one is to download Snap from the App Store. It's free to download, so make sure you do it right now. Step two, open up the app and name your shoot. I usually use the property address to name my photo shoot. For step three, place your phone on a tripod. It's extremely important to use a tripod for best results when using the app. Any tripod is fine to use. If you don't have a tripod, check out the settings for a handheld option. Next up is step four. Open up the camera within the app, line up your shot and start snapping. It's extremely important to shoot all the hero shots of the house, including bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms, etc. Step five is having your photos professionally edited. Simply click on the images you want enhanced, select our options and upload from there. And lastly is step six. You'll receive your stunning edited images back within 24 hours or 48 hours for our virtual staging. On the screen right now is a before and after to show you how much of a difference editing does make. And that's how easy it is to shoot professional images on your smartphone. Simply download Snap and start snapping away.